Oh! Damn it!
Kennedy takes third now.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Otterville Nitro Blast 2025, Nitro Blast Nationals, and we're going to go out with E-Buggy, the B-Main of Legends. So that's the 40 plus class. In Legends, I qualified well, so I'm starting in the B, and we'll see if we can get that up to the A.
We got two surfaces going on. A little bit of high grip on the left and low grip on the right with choppiness.
I'll let you guys take care of that. However, I need everybody's attention because
I'm before you.
This is the flagship event of the year. You guys have seen me enough through the Outer Cup series. I believe this is my 4th or 5th Nitro Blast. I've done a few of these. First of all, for those who don't know me, my name is Jared Bardin. I'm from New York, so I get to come all the way from the United States. I'm very glad to be here again, so thank you to John and Carla for having me again. Thank you, sincerely. I have had the blessing to call multiple large, high-profile events, IFMAR World Championships, World Nationals, and plenty of large-scale off-road and on-road events, and really appreciate it. Obviously, this is qual point style scoring. A lot of you have already been here before. You know how qual points work. For those of you that don't, qual points is undisputed the best way to score racing on dirt. It takes weather, it takes the track out of the equation. So you guys are used to races, little club races that are rocket round style, where you put up 1 run out of 3 or 2 or how many rounds it is, and that's your time for the rest of the weekend. That's not how it works here. You guys have to earn your spots in this race. There is a fresh TQ in every single round. Basically, the slate is wiped clean after every single round, and they're scored separately. It's like golf. Lowest score wins. Obviously, 0 points for a TQ, 2nd place for 2, 3rd place for 3, and so on. Your objective out of the 3 rounds of qualifying, 2 of them are going to count. Your 2 lowest scores for the round count. Your objective is to get the lowest possible combined score. That's where you're going to start in your main events. It's 260 entries. This is our biggest race of the year. We have a lot of races to get through. There's going to be 25 plus seats of qualifying. Guys, I beg of you, be ready when your races are up. Marshal your cones. We're doing numbered cones this weekend. We do numbered cones at all the Otterville races. I don't care what anybody has to say. Numbered cones save a race program. Because if I need to call out who's missing on the number 3 cone, I get to say a name and who's missing. Take a scan around this racetrack real quick. You see how the cones are numbered? That's important. They're not just there for show. The number on your heat race, your car number on your heat race, is the cone you're going to go out to quarter marshal. And also, to second that, you see these numbers on the rubber mats here by the driver's stand? That's the number you're going to stand on before you take the driver's stand for your heat race.
Right, here we go, Legends of E-Buggy B-Main. I'll be starting in P4. I was just back to back, just marshaled the 20-minute nitro. Oh, after racing, I won my other main. Also started from P4, starting from P4 in this one as well. See if we can do it again. But the track is significantly more dusty now since it just had 20 minutes, 30 minutes of runtime on it since it was blown up. That was a long, hot day. I couldn't record a vlog. It was just too hot, too busy, mostly too hot. It's finally starting to cool off now. It's 9 p.m. This will be my last race of the night. Unless I bump up, if I finish in top 4 in this, then I will go to the Legends A main, and I will race again tonight. It'll be the last race of the night, probably near 11. All right, practice lap before we grid up for the start of Legends E-Buggy 40 plus B-Main.
You guys are going to take this lap and find your spot on the grid on the front three.
Still feels like the grip level is okay.
Okay, so we're going to set the grid. Nathan Sharon on the 1. Kevin Montgomery on the 2. Mike Sprayhorn on the 3. John Kennedy 4. Kenny Thompson on 5. Lou on 6. Philippe on 7. Paul 8. And 9. Dan Hugworth on 10.
I've been pitting next to him all day, Chris in S-Works. That's Matt Dixon, team manager of Mayako Canada. John Hollistel, a lot of fast racers at this race, 260 entries.
Sorry, he's still P10, quarter marshal's ready. Driver's ready. It's going to be a 40+ BMAIN top 2 bump up to 80 later on tonight.
It's only top 2 getting the A, not 4. Whoa.
I heard that.
That was,
Sorry, that transpired, people.
that was a false start. I'm glad they're restarting that.
It's a good problem to have, Dave. You got good hit strength. Drivers ready, top 2 bump. This is a 10-minute race. Good luck. Single file early to that first sweeper. Good luck. There we go. Too bad, guys. Not too bad. Oh, 300 control off the start.
You're good.
He's clear. So Mike has to get back to working down the 10, but he's got a fast car. Don't you worry, he's going to be back in the mix. Got 2 cars coming together there. That was going to be Deline and Paul. Paul Miller, nice sportsmanship, guys. Long race, guys. You can still get back there. It's a 10-minute race, that's correct. Off the start, Kevin McNary to the point. Here he comes. We're going to go down and start 25 for McNary, followed by Sharon. Looks like it's going to be third place. Top of box, straight hard. Back in the 3. Didn't take long. 1 down, 9 to go. Looks like it's going to be there behind, followed by Whitworth, Kennedy, Bedard. Ken Thompson there in the spot, followed by David Whitman and the line.
Oh!
3 cars in trouble.
Damn it!
And clear.
That was unfortunate.
That's about enough for Hofstad. That was full stop. 139 left to go. Nathan Sharon out front. It's going to be McNary now Vanderway in that 3rd spot. Woodward, Bayard. Looks like 6 place going to Pete, Cleveland, and Clayhart in the 7. There with the big news on that. All 20, Paul, and 10. 10. Nathan Sharon leading away. That's that dark green with the white and yellow accents on it. Followed by Kevin McNary. He's white, green, blue. All white is going to be the Vanderway machine. 4th place under fire here. Woodward and Bedard battling out. That's Golden to Paul Kennedy. Battle for 7th between the boys. Thompson, Thompson hits the lead momentarily. Mike tries to get back. And Kennedy from the save. He saved it. But Mike's going to get spot back. Ball 9, 10, 10. We're going to go up here on 238, 700 to go. Mistake from Sharon. We're going to have a lead change now. It's going to be McNary following into the loop. 4th place still Bedard. Okay, that's the race for the final transfer between Nathan and Lou. Kevin McNary out front. Oh, big mistake from Sharon. Up there on the double. Stay right, clear. Nathan down to 4 now. It's the lead goes to 3. The line's got leads on the way, he knows that. There'll be a 10 on the course. As it's on the 3 down, 7 to go. Kevin McNary out in front of this one. Lou, Billy, Nathan, John, Dan, Mike, Penny, Paul, and Penny line. 3 on 7 to go here in race number 11. Oh, Charles there took the lead. Charles sounded in. There it goes, but still survives. 320 and 620 to go.
There goes a bunch of positions. That might have just blown me my bump up chance right there. Sit down, John. Sit down.
McNary, Vanderway, Sharon, Bedard, and Kennedy, the top 5 of the moment. Wow! Thompson and Vanderway come across. That's not going to go. That's going to put Paul 6, 27. John, Mike, and Penny.
Drop down to 7.
That's still McNary, Vanderway, and Sharon. That all now here to the final transfer spots. Philippe gets started by Boys and Nathan now. Through the solid. It's Kevin now, Lou Vanderway in the 2 spot. Here comes Philippe down straightaway. 2, 3, 4, best race in the sweeper. These guys are going to have 1 spot out to 3 on transfer. The wild in between Nathan and Philippe. Nathan into the third spot. Philippe's still there. Lou makes a little mistake, but Nathan following it. 5:45 left to go. Still watching Lou at 2, Nathan at 3. Nathan gets the second spot away. Lou still there in third, followed by Philippe. Entering the game, Kenny, Paul, John Kennedy, Mike, and Ken. 4:35 to go. Race for second, still Vic, Sharon in green and white. White leads Van away. Red, white, blue is Philippe. Now for Ryan Hoover, in that 10 cars from 10th up to 5th now. Blue with the white stripes. Sharon trying to hold this one off. Oh, Philippe coming in, watch the straightaway. Stay high and straight, stay towards the line, clear. Oh, real contact. Neither was going to lift it, Philippe. They were going to away on the better end of it. Luke's only off one side, he's in 5th. He's going to the sweep of his third. McNerney now enjoying a 4-second lead over Sharon. Followed by followed by Philippe, rather. That's going to be Cooper into the 4, moving into 5. As that appears to be Penny Thompson. In the 6th spot, Penny inside, will fix it away. Thompson back at the inside. Nice pass to Penny there from those two, that's 6 and 7. And a good race out with Penny. John Paul close to that ball there with 300 who it is. And Penny makes the bottle, Van makes a bigger bottle. And Penny makes the way. 6 on there, here we go. At the 10, Philippe, Dan, Luke, Penny, John Kennedy, Paul, Mike. Your top 9, followed by Ken Line down the center. Back in the track right here, it's got McNerney out far, Sharon call about 2 seconds here. Nathan has running back down a little bit. Still got Philippe in that final odd man outside. He needs to catch Sharon. He's got 3.5 minutes left to do it, so plenty of time. McNerney will follow the double-double, saved it. Sharon, come up quick. There's Philippe on the double-double. 4th place to Woodward and Vanderway. They come to the P-Hill. Vanderway gets by and Woodward rolls it over. 6 Philippe Thompson, 7 Philippe Kennedy, 8 Philippe Vanderway. Kevin McNerney, 8 to the second over Nathan Sharon. That's the race for the lead. Philippe works in the background, red, white, blue. Over double-double, 1 and 2. Here comes 3. Philippe needs to make the pass on all of those 2 who wants to get to that race. This is the race for the A-Main of E-Buggy B-Main. A mistake out of Philippe. That's going to be the bigger lead to first and second now. 7 down, 3 to go. It is still Kevin, Nathan, Philippe, your top 3. Oh, Nathan in trouble. Nathan's going to wait up. Stop and go, Nathan. Stop and go, Nathan. Stop and go. Go. Kevin, Nathan, and Philippe, still 1, 2, and 3. Vanderway in the 4th spot. He's still a few corners back. So Philippe still has the best shot to take his spot away. Oh no! Throwing in toward the corner. And there goes the iron by Sharon. 10 left to go. That's the race right there. Goes straight on the back straight. Nathan tries to get it back. Philippe tries to hold off. Oh, they get together. Contact out there. Philippe will stay in second. Nathan right there. Here comes Vanderway now. Nathan over the top, tries to take second back. Philippe back to the over that side, takes it away. Here comes Lou. Oh, 3 points. And once again, Philippe and Nathan are handling each other. There's Vanderway up to the 2 spot now. What a move from Lou. The old man can still learn new tricks. With a minute 30 to go. Vanderway in the 2 spot. After Sharon and Philippe said he'd see the missiles on each other. Lou Vanderway in the 2nd spot, in the white. Nathan not done yet though. He's got 1 more miss on the chamber. 1:15 left to go. Thompson up to the 4th spot now. He's got a chance outside shot. Kennedy 5, Philippe down to 6. It is now over by any of these folks. Coming on 5 minute drivers, 9 minutes down, 1 to go. 9 down, 1 to go. Kevin, oh, strong one, that's double. Nathan and Lou both made mistakes. Nathan Kennedy's still there in case those guys make more mistakes. 4 rows, Thomas losing a wheel. Oh man, tough break for Kenny. He was right in the mix. Nathan 2, Kennedy takes third now. Ken Johnson in there. Nathan has not been except for a mistake or two. Lou right there as well with 30 seconds to go. Lou gets back on the inside. And he rolls it out. Kenny takes third back. It's not over, guys. 20 seconds to go. Nathan and Kenny should go one more, and all of a sudden Kennedy chasing after Sharon. 3 Daytona to go. They will go one more, 10 seconds to go. Sharon's got it. Kennedy wants it. Here they come for one more time. Malik will take the 4th spot, and he gets one more lap. We will not. Boxman Bob will now watch 2nd place. As right over there is checked out, he's gone. Nathan over the double. Here comes John. Still not close enough. Nathan's trying to roll through these S's. Coming through Daytona. He rolls it over. Oh, he rolls it over. Oh, man, he had his chance. And Nathan Sharon will take the 2nd spot. Wow.
Close ending though, man.
Woo! Philippe finishing 3rd, John 4th, and Lou will take the 5. Everybody has done one of these.
Oh, that was fun.
Okay. Philippe finishing 3rd, John 4th.
Oh, I fell down the 4th from that bobble, but I was nipping it second, holding 3rd, nipping it 2nd. Fell down the 4th in the end. All right, guys, that was my Legends 40 Plus E-Buggy race. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new and here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.